Hi guys, invite ko kayo sa wedding ko pero 60 packs lang kaya limited lang tayo.
Bulungan ng araw, bangon na, muling nakita, liwanag mong kakaiba.
Mabait na nanay, maingay na nanay. At sexy daw. Si Luigi.
Ikaw ay nangangamba.
Sige, kay kuya.
Very useful. Swak yung bagay. Kumapal.
Kung sino ka, nag-iisa ka, wala nang iba. Lunurin mo ako sa iyong piling, o pwede bang tingin aking hiling? Nag-iisa ka, wala nang iba. Sa iyong tahimik na tingin, nadarama lahat ng damdamin. Nag-iisa ka.
Hindi pwede yung mag-asawa.
Mag-asawa daw, yung mag-asawa.
Nag-iisa ka, wala nang iba. Lunurin mo ako sa iyong piling.
Nagpapakit po kasi siya pagka dumadaan po siya sa station. May paghawi po ng buhok.
Wala nang iba. Sa iyong tahimik na tingin, nadarama lahat ng damdamin. Nag-iisa ka, nag-iisa ka, nag-iisa ka. Wala nang iba, nag-iisa ka.
Love, sa wakas, nandito na tayo. Ayun, dati, nagpapakit ka lang sa akin dun sa Alorica. Pero ngayon, ikakasal ka na sa akin. So, ayun, congratulations, love. Pero joke lang. Ako talaga yung nagpapakit sa'yo dati, sa totoo lang. And kung may dapat talaga na i-congratulate ngayon, syempre, hindi naman ikaw. Ako talaga yon.
Para bang may iba pag tumitingin sa'kin
Siguro yung one of my favorite memories was when nalaman mo may sakit ako. Hindi pa tayo noon and hindi pa rin tayo ganong nag-uusap. The next day, pagpasok ko ng office, may gamot at dalandan na sa station ko.
Tingnan mo lang ang aking mga mata. Huwag kang
Then, little by little, lagi nang may food sa station ko kahit bawal magpasok ng food sa loob. Looking back, I realized those simple acts of love were already showing me the kind of person you are. From the time you were courting me until today, one thing has never changed. You've always been consistent. You never stopped choosing me, caring for me, and making me feel loved.
Huwag ka lang bibitaw.
Thankful ako kasi, yun, kagaya mo, love. Sobrang ganda mo, sobrang mapagmahal sa pamilya, sobrang sipag, porsigido ka sa madaming bagay. Tsaka, basta madami ka pa magagandang qualities, love. So, congratulations sa akin talaga. Kasi, ikaw yung binigay sa akin ni Lord.
It's so ganda! Dito kami!
Nag-iisang Diyos
Grabe ka talaga, love, magmahal. Thank you, I appreciate you. I love you so much. Before you came into my life, I kept praying to the Lord to send me a man who would respect me and protect my heart. I always believe that the waiting will be worth it. And now, we are here. I know that God answered my prayers through you. You are more than I ever asked for. Whenever I felt less, you always reminded me of how blessed I am. Whenever I doubted myself, alam mo yan, lagi, and whenever I felt insecure about myself, you made me feel beautiful and helped my confidence. You believe in me, even when I struggled to believe in myself. And I fall in love with you because I knew that you always had my back. But what made me love you even more was how you love everyone around you, especially my family.
Buhay na ako.
Kahit madami nakakainis, madami nakakapagod na mga araw, madaming hindi ako magugustuhan, hindi ka kamahal-mahal. Pero, yun, promise, mamahalin kita palagi. Pipiliin ko na, makita yung magandang side mo. Yun, I love you so much.
I promise to love you through every season of our lives. I promise to support your dreams. I promise to listen with understanding, to communicate honestly, and to always be your safe space and your home. Love, thank you for showing me the kind of love I have always deserved. Today, I don't just get to marry the love of my life, I get to marry my best friend, my answered prayer, and the father of our child. I love you, and I will choose you every single day for the rest of my life.
Nagkahawak ako, huwag ka lang bibitaw. Habang buhay na ako'y iyo.
I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Palakpak po. Congratulations and may the Lord bless you.